In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to move your files from one Lenovo laptop to another Lenovo laptop using Google Drive. First, make sure you know where the files are saved on your first laptop. Now, open your web browser and search for Google Drive. Open the Google Drive website and sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner and create a new folder. Give it any name you like, such as Laptop Transfer, and click Create. Next, open the folder you just created. Click New again and choose File Upload. Select the files you want to transfer. You can select multiple files or simply select all the files you need. Then click Open. Your files will begin uploading to Google Drive. Wait until the upload is complete. Now move to your second laptop. Open a web browser, search for Google Drive, and sign in with the same Google account you used on the first laptop. In My Drive, open the folder you created earlier. You'll see all the uploaded files. To save a single file, right-click it and choose Download. If you want to download everything at once, right-click the folder and select Download. Google Drive will create a zip file containing all your files, which will then download to your laptop. Once the download is finished, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder to access your transferred files. And that's how you can easily transfer files from one laptop to another using Google Drive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.